Welcome to another video walk around here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we'll be taking a look at this 2016 Toyota Corolla with some great exterior features that include 16-inch wheels. Entering the vehicle, we have our key with our lock and unlock. Taking a first look inside, you've got gray cloth interior. This Corolla also comes equipped with all-weather floor mats. Taking a seat in the vehicle and looking at the steering wheel, on the left side here we have our audio controls. On the right you've got your hands-free calling and cruise at the bottom. This Corolla comes with 113,000 kilometers. Over in the middle on your touchscreen you have some vehicle information, along with your AM/FM radio and a backup camera. Right below that you've got your climate controls, followed by your outlets and your heated seat switches at the bottom. Taking a look at the rear seats, you have two fold-out cup holders, along with an additional two cup holders on the back of the center console and a storage pouch in the passenger seat back. Thank you for watching our video walk around on this 2016 Toyota Corolla with some great interior features that include heated seats, all-weather floor mats, and hands-free calling. We are located at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.